Welcome everybody, today I will be reviewing the Dell G16 7630 gaming laptop. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out. The Dell G16 7630 gaming laptop is a top-tier gaming powerhouse, perfectly suited for gamers who demand cutting-edge performance and immersive visuals. From its sleek metallic Nightshade design to its industry-leading hardware, this laptop is designed to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience. The 16-inch QHD Plus 2560 by 1600, 240Hz display is a game-changer for competitive and casual gamers alike. With a blazing fast 3 milliseconds response time, this screen ensures smooth, tear-free gameplay, giving you the edge in fast-paced games. The vibrant colors and high resolution bring stunning visuals to life, whether you're exploring open worlds or enjoying AAA titles. The 16:10 aspect ratio offers additional vertical space, perfect for multitasking when you're off the battlefield. Under the hood, the Intel Core i9-13900HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4078GB GDDR6 GPU form a formidable duo. This configuration handles demanding games and resource-intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and streaming effortlessly. The 16GB DDR5 RAM ensures snappy multitasking, while the 1TB SSD provides lightning-fast load times and ample storage for your favorite games and media. Whether you're diving into esports titles or playing graphically demanding games at ultra settings, the G16 7630 ensures smooth performance with minimal lag. The metallic Nightshade finish gives this laptop a sleek, modern aesthetic that appeals to gamers and professionals alike. Despite its powerful internals, the G16 maintains a slim and portable design, making it easy to carry between gaming sessions or workspaces. The build quality feels premium and robust, ensuring durability over time. Dell has equipped the G16 with an advanced cooling system to keep performance steady during extended gaming marathons. The thermal management ensures the laptop stays cool under pressure, avoiding throttling and maintaining peak performance. Connectivity options are plentiful, with multiple USB ports, an HDMI output, and a Thunderbolt port, ensuring seamless connections for peripherals and external displays. The Dell G16 7630 gaming laptop is an exceptional choice for gamers and power users who refuse to compromise on performance or visuals. Its cutting-edge hardware, stunning display, and thoughtful design make it a standout in the gaming laptop market. While it comes at a premium price point, the features and performance it delivers more than justify the investment. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out.